Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and firmware right now, plug the headset on charger until at least half full, and power it on to confirm LED behavior. Next, locate the Razer 2. 4 GHz USB-C dongle. This is the only compatible wireless path to Xbox, and prepare to insert it into the Xbox controller or a console USB with a short adapter. Also, make sure your Xbox and controller firmware are fully updated. Outdated firmware blocks stable pairing. Once done, insert the dongle into the controller USB-C port. If you must use the console USB, use a short adapter and position the dongle close to you. Turn the Barracuda X on and let it auto-pair. The LED will stabilize when linked. Next, go to Xbox Settings, General Volume and Audio Output, and set headset format to stereo uncompressed. Then tweak the chat game balance and microphone level so you can hear and be heard clearly during gameplay. You finish by running a quick test. Join a party or start a match, speak, and confirm both game audio and chat are balanced. Adjust side tone so you hear yourself without echo. If the headset needs a firmware update, connect it to a PC via USB-C and run Razer's updater, then retry pairing. If audio drops or pairing fails, press and hold the headset pairing button for 5 seconds to repair, and move the dongle closer. Interference is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.